Tired of vending machines that can't even deliver a bag of chips? South Korea's got you covered with hot French fries. Picture this, it's 3 a.m., you're craving fries. In South Korea, no problem. Just stroll to a vending machine and boom, crispy, salty, perfectly cooked fries anytime you want. Meanwhile, our vending machines, they're stuck in 1995, struggling to spit out a candy bar. South Korea, are you from the future? Because this is next-level snack magic. So the next time you're battling your vending machine for a snack, remember, somewhere in South Korea someone's enjoying hot fries fresh out of a machine. Talk about food envy, right?